This is Richard back at you. Well, we got our drum out of our 4L60E tranny. This is basically how we had to do it. We come over here, bolted the case down. I got on a big old pry bar. Trent got on a pry bar, and we got under the lip and was able to 30 minutes of prying and twisting and banging, and we got that thing out. But basically, that's what it took to get that out of there. So we're gonna get this apart really quick and get this back over here and get it the rest of the way apart. Okay, back to square one. We destroyed the drum, prying on it and stuff. I wouldn't put it back in. We chewed it up all the way around, so it took a lot to get this drum out of there. We already know this stuff's gonna be cratered. Get this apart. We got our load springs trashed. We got our Z-Pack trashed. Totally trashed. So, get this forward clutch assembly out of here and stuff and see what it looks like in here. Forward clutches still look brand new, isn't that crazy? About the only thing that's brand new in there. See what our sprag assembly looks like. Because like I said, we put everything new. Look at every bit of this stuff. See how bad it's tore up. I mean, that hub looks brand new. Sprag out of there. Looks still brand new there. I'm shocked that's in one piece. See if we can get this. Find that thing. There it is. Another pair of them. Got these things laying everywhere. Kind of hard to. It still looks in one piece. A brand new roller bearing hub. Get down in here. We always put a new bearing at the same time. Look at that shell, brand new shell. But look at the heat, whatever's been. Yeah, I don't know if he's.
What in the heck?
Yeah, because that looks like almost like moisture been in there.
Like this thing
Like
set outside.
Like it's got water in it, yeah, or something a little bit maybe. Because I know that shouldn't be rusted.
No, that's brand new.
Yeah, our shells don't rust. Pull our anti-clunk spring out here. And in here. Reverse clutches still look really good. Drag assembly looks really nice. Ring gear. Man, it looks nice. I guess some gears look. I thought maybe run off some trash. That's just weather machined. So, wow. I don't think we damaged the case or anything. We just have to look at it really close. So you guys see kind of why we don't like doing carryouts and stuff. I mean, we're just really tired of it. This tranny here, if there's an issue when it was put in the truck or anything like that, we would have put a pressure gauge on it and our computer on it and went and drove it and seen and caught every bit of this problem. If we got trash from their cooler line in our tranny, I mean, anything like that can affect these high dollar trannies like this. So now you know, another video why we don't do carryouts. So It's gonna take a lot of work to get this thing back together for this guy. I feel for the guy, and believe it or not, I'm gonna cut him a deal. I already told him that. You know, people just don't learn. He is a younger kid, but it don't matter. Hey, if y'all need anything, make sure you subscribe. Push that button, please. We're gonna have another video here shortly that me and Trent's fixing to do. So y'all stay tuned. Have a great day.